Everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech. Just wanted to do a quick video today and take a look at this emergency radio. This is the iRonsnow, so it's iRonsnow emergency radio. And what's really cool about this is it has a few different ways to actually get powered. So in an emergency, if you don't have access to power, it has a crank, a manual crank. You can charge it up via USB, or actually there is a built-in solar panel as well. So pretty cool. And we'll just kind of open this up and take a look at it. So in the box you get a manual, talks about the different functions and how to use them. You get a USB-C cable, so USB Type A to USB Type C, so you can charge it. And this is the device. So there's a lanyard built in for kind of holding on to it. And it looks like metal, but it's all plastic. This is kind of a soft touch plastic material on the back and sides. And there's a couple different abilities here. So there's a tuner to change the bands. This is a AM, FM, and wideband NOAA receiver for national weather. It does have a flashlight built in. So emergency flashlight here on the end, which is LED. You do also have the USB charging ability. Now, I think you can charge it via this, and then you can actually then charge something else from this. So you can plug in this USB and then charge a phone or something else. Now, the solar panel is at the top. I don't know, from a charging perspective, like how long it will take to use this little tiny solar panel on top. But again, in an emergency, it's certainly something that it'd be great to have, right? So it does have an antenna that kind of comes out of the top, so for the AM, FM reception, and then basically works with this little slider. So there's FM, AM, and then the NOAA radio on there. Speaker is on the front. Like I said, volume on this side, tuning on this side, USB there. This is the crank handle. So if you need to charge this up and you don't have access to other power, basically just go to town and crank that up and charge it. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, and basically, now I think the battery is low. That's why you're getting this little red icon here. There is an LED 4-stage indicator to show the current power charge level and all that. This is a 4,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. It has a 1.5 watt LED. Now there's also an SOS mode. That you can press and it flashes the light, and it also makes an alarm sound. So I'll go ahead and do that again. So if you need emergency to notify somebody, you can just press that SOS. It's pretty loud. And this is also IPX3 water resistant. So not waterproof, but water resistant. So right now it's on FM mode. I don't want to get a copyright strike here, so you can easily tune it just by using the tuner on the side here. Get to different radio stations, and then
40% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-30s. Friday night. Then becoming partly cloudy. Mostly sunny. mid-30s. Saturday night.
And now this is the weather radio. I don't know if you can hear that. It's a little staticky, I think, because I'm in my basement.
Morning. Highs in the lower 40s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s.
So I'm holding it up to the speaker, or to the microphone, so you can hear a little bit better.
Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan north. Rest of today, west wind.
Yeah, so the weather radio does work. Like I said, it's a little staticky.
Occasionally to 12 feet, subsiding to 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Tonight, west winds 10 to 20 knots, diminishing.
Yeah, so, and then you can see there, like I said, now this the LEDs show up there. So, I mean, overall, fairly lightweight. This is definitely something that I wanted to have just because I don't actually have like a weather radio if I lost my power in my house. And, you know, having something like this is super useful in that situation. Or if you're camping or you're going out and about, you know, definitely something also useful to have along with you. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.